This 2024 Keystone Bullet Crossfire East 2680BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 30 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, microwave, stove top burner, auxiliary battery, LP detector, smoke detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, external shower, awning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Bullet Crossfire East 2680BH is 6,010 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.